Introduction to Cryptocurrency Trading, What You Need to Know. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're new to the space or just looking to enhance your knowledge, this journey promises thrilling opportunities and financial growth. But first, let's break it all down. What is cryptocurrency trading, and why should you get involved? What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading is the buying, selling, and exchanging of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and powered by blockchain technology, ensuring security, transparency, and global accessibility. Why trade cryptocurrencies? Why trade cryptocurrencies? One word: potential. Crypto markets are known for their volatility. Prices can swing wildly, opening doors to significant profits. Unlike the stock market, crypto trading operates 24/7, giving you the flexibility to trade at any time. Setting up for success. Before diving in, it's essential to set up your foundation. Choose a reliable exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Next, secure a digital wallet, either a software wallet on your phone or a hardware wallet for enhanced security. Taking these steps ensures a safe and efficient trading experience. Understanding blockchain. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. Picture a digital ledger recording every transaction across a vast network of computers. Each block stores a list of transactions, linked together in a secure chain, making fraud or tampering nearly impossible. The basics of trading. To trade successfully, you must understand key market concepts: market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency calculated by multiplying price by total supply; trading volume, the amount of cryptocurrency exchanged within a set period, indicating market activity; supply, the total number of coins available, which varies depending on the cryptocurrency. Mastering these basics will help you make informed trading decisions. Risks and rewards. While crypto trading offers huge profit potential, risks are just as significant. Prices are volatile, and market crashes can happen unexpectedly. However, with proper research, risk management, and a strategic approach, you can navigate these challenges effectively. Action plan for the week. Ready to take your first step? Here's your action plan for the week. Research exchanges. Find a reliable exchange that suits your needs. Set up a wallet. Choose between a software or hardware wallet for secure storage. Learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with key trading concepts. Stay informed. Follow crypto news on sites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. By following these steps, you'll build a strong foundation for successful cryptocurrency trading. Congratulations! You now have the foundational knowledge to start your cryptocurrency trading journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and be strategic in your trades. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more in-depth crypto insights.